These animals sound more human than humans. Wait till you hear number 3. But first, if you love animal sounds like this, subscribe to this channel and click the like button. Top 4. A cat that snore like your grandpa after Thanksgiving dinner. Listen to this. Top 3. Koalas. Their growls sound like a drunk guy mumbling at 2 a.m. Top 2. A pug dog. A simple nail trim, and he screamed like a horror movie star. And the top 1. Parrots that gossip like 2 neighbours on the phone. Unreal! Which one's the most human? Drop it in the comments.